Racing just is started. We have touch of class first to show quickness at the start. Baling ganda. Moving up on the outside. Perfect pass. Deadly Storm. Then next on Lana is Batangas Force. Don Don's entry. Kabarkada ko. Soul Invictus. Star of Manil now moving up on the outside, getting the white strip as they make the first turn. Simple Beauties down on the inside. Hard Power comes next, then moving up is Hardway, while Viva Maria is racing in 13th. And as they swing down the back, Baling Ganda by about 3 lengths. Perfect pass, then here comes Star of Manila now moving up to take third. Touch of class. Kabarkada ko, Soul Invictus. Then next on line is Hardware. Running by the rail now is Simple Beauty. Batangas Force, Don Don's entry. Deadly Storm, Viva Maria, while Hard Power now racing in less inside the last 400. We have Star of Manil by about 6 lengths. Baling Ganda in second. Moving up on the outside now is Hardway. And as they swing for home, we have Star of Manil, this time by about 8 lengths. Hardway now moving up to take second. Last 100 meters, we have Star of Manil followed by Hardway, Soul Invictus, and finally it's going to be Star of Manil. Hardway, then comes Soul Invictus, Simple Beauty.
Mukhang may photo pa tayo for 5th.
Despite hindi maganda